karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox my Omega Seamaster 300. So guys, we will open the box, we will see what comes in the box, and we will do a basic overview of the watch. So guys, this is the box for Omega Seamaster 300. So we'll open it, and while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 4,150 American dollars for it. So I got it at about 28% discount, and the price which I paid was around 4,150 USD. So guys, here is the box of the watch. Like, it comes in a solid wood box. Okay, the finish of the box and the quality of the box is amazing. Okay, and here what we have is, here we have the instruction manual, and then it comes with this leather card holders, okay, which hold the international warranty, which hold the master chronometer warranty, and some pictograms warranty. I don't know what exactly they are, we will see them. Okay, and even the leather card holder also comes with the Omega marking. Okay, so it kinds of feels good. Okay, so now let me take the box out. Okay, we'll keep this here. Now here's the push button, you press it and it opens. So guys, this is Omega Seamaster 300. Okay, and let us see what else is in the box. We'll keep it on the side for the time being. Okay, so it comes with this travel pouch, and here are some extra links which I got removed. And so here is the another additional space to keep your guarantee and warranty cards. Okay, so guys, apart from the watch, the box also is gorgeous. It looks amazing. It feels very high quality, and it is very high quality. So let us keep the box aside. Now here is our watch. So guys, this is Omega Seamaster 300. Okay, so it is actually 25th anniversary release model. Okay, so in this 25th anniversary release, the basic shape of the watch, the basic design of the watch is same, but they upgraded the materials and the technology used to produce this watch. Okay, so I'll take it out. Yes, so guys, the case size of this watch is about 42 mm, and the band size is 20 mm. So 20 mm is a very good band size. Like, later, in case you need to put a replacement band on it, there are a lot of options available. Okay, so then guys, the bezel on this watch, okay, it is a ceramic bezel which is a unidirectional. Okay, and absolutely there is no play in the bezel. Okay, so no play, no nothing. Okay, like this. And guys, it is powered by this master chronometer 8800. Okay, so, and the dial color of this watch is gray, and the dial is also made up of ceramic with this wave pattern. You can see the wave pattern on the dial, and the markings on this watch are circular marking. Okay, so they are filled with something called as luminova thing, and like they just glow in the darkness like anything. Okay, and the watch hands, they are skeleton watch hands. They are bright blue in color, so it is very easy to read time on this watch, and the date is at 6 o'clock position. And here, so since it is a diving watch, okay, so it comes with this helium escape valve. So guys, those who are into diving, they know about it. Okay, so I am not into diving, I don't think so I'll be using it, but having it feels cool. Okay, so then it has a sapphire crystal glass on both the front and the, you can see, the back side. Okay, so you can see through, you can see the moment, watch moment. See if you can read it. It is Omega Seamaster coaxial 8800 caliber, and you can see watch working. And guys, it comes with 5 years international warranty. So guys, that's pretty much in this. Okay, so before I end this video, I will wear it on my wrist and I'll show you how it looks on the wrist. So guys, this is Omega Seamaster 300. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more watch and EDC reviews and unboxing videos. And all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.